All right, so in this video, we're going to be looking at equations with no solution. It is possible for you to have an equation with no solution, right? And even we also have equations with extraneous solution. When we get there, I'm going to be explaining. So when is an equation said not to have a solution? An equation is said not to have a solution when the value of x cannot be determined. How do I mean? For example, that is if the equation is in x anyway. So for example, this equation we have here, we want to know if it has a solution or not. An equation is we only have a solution when the value of x, when you substitute the value of x, the left hand side will be equal to right hand side. But if you cannot determine the value of x, if the value of x is indeterminable, then the equation would have no solution. So now let's look at this problem and let's see if it does or not. So let's open the bracket. So 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. Then 2 times minus x, that will give us minus what? 2x. Then plus 5x will be equal to what? 3 times x, that is 3x. Then 3 times 1, that is plus 3, right? So the next thing is for us to collect what? Like terms. So if we collect, like what terms? So we are going to be having, okay, minus 2x plus 5x, okay, then 3 is coming in, that will be what? Minus 3x, right, will now be equal to 3, 2 is going out, right, minus 2, right. If you check my previous video, I have explained several times any number that crosses the equality sign would have its sign change. So minus 2x plus 5x will give us plus 3x, then plus 3x minus 3x will be equal to what? 0. So 0 is equal to 3 minus 2. That is what? 1. You can see that we could not determine the value of x. And this is not an identity. It's not an identity because 0 is not equal to 0 and 1 is not equal to 1. So it is not an identity. So in that case, the only conclusion to this problem is what? No what? Solution. No solution because the value of x could not be what? Determined. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll be looking forward to having you on my subscribers list. See you in the next video. Thank you.